Surah number 3, Surah Al Imran, verse 103. It's the purpose of uniting Muslims. So the Quran says that it is the Quran, the book of God, which is the book of Muslim unity as well. The Almighty says, وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا. And you hold fast to the book of God, jami'an, all of you together. وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. And do not get divided into factions, into sects. So the Quran says that it's the book that is going to bring Muslims together. It's the rope of God, whose one end is with God and the other one is with us humans. If we all hold fast to it together, we will be together. By holding fast, obviously, it means that we read it carefully, we understand it, we give the book the top priority in understanding religion. We take every other religious information that we have in the light of this book as its footnote, so that the book should give its verdict as to whether a certain claim is right or wrong. When all Muslims are going to do it together, they'll be united. And if they're not going to do it, then this verse is warning that we are going to be divided. We're going to be broken into sects. So that's another important feature of the Quran. That's a book of Muslim unity.